We'll guide you through how to add effects in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project or open an existing one you'd like to edit. You need to import your video clips by clicking on the Import button at the top left. Once your video is in the timeline, look over to the left side panel and click on the Effects tab. This will open a wide range of effects you can choose from. Browse through the categories like Trending, Basic, or Retro to find the effect that suits your project. Once you've found the perfect effect, simply drag and drop it onto the video clip in the timeline. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the edges of the effect bar in the timeline to fit your video clip's length. If you want to fine-tune the effect, click on the effect bar in the timeline and adjust the settings in the top right panel. Here you can modify parameters like intensity or animation to get the exact look you want. If you want to stack multiple effects, you can add another by repeating the drag and drop process. Remember, you can always preview your video by hitting the play button to see how the effects look in real time. Once you're satisfied with the effects, you can move on to export your video by clicking on the Export button at the top right. Choose your desired settings and hit Export again to save your video with the new effects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.